Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick run through our new fitness app, which is Hubfut. Now, before I get into this is like any other app. The more you use it, the better you get at it. It's just about learning how to navigate your way around some of the key features in the software, which I'm going to go through really quickly. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is Hubfut. This is our new fitness app. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work from right to left and explain some of the features. So this here essentially is just a profile, okay? If you need to change any details or anything like that, you can go into the settings. If you need to change your name for whatever reason. And then this is also where you'll find some app integrations. So you can connect this to Chronometer, which is a food tracking app. You have Fitbit, and then you also have Apple Health. Most people will probably have Apple Health, so I would recommend connecting to that. Unfortunately, this app doesn't have integrations with MyFitnessPal just yet, but these are some of the key integrations that we can use now, with more coming down the road. On this home page, the profile page, this is also where you can add your daily weigh-ins. Now, with your daily weigh-ins, as you can see here, weight, you can just go to add and you can just write in to the nearest 1 decimal place, okay, and the app will update that for you. You'll also have other things such as like your check-ins and your progress photos. So the check-in system says the same. Monday done before 1 o'clock, and then obviously progress photos then to be added on a Friday morning at the end of every week. And then obviously your gallery will basically store some of these progress pictures that you have here. As we move across, we have the nutrition, which is the avocado down at the bottom. Now there's two things with the nutrition. There's meal plans, which your coach will put in for you. That's like here, okay, and it gives you the ingredients and the amount of grams, etc. per food. And then you also have a built-in food tracker. So this is very much like MyFitnessPal, where you can go add food. You can obviously save meals like I have done. You can add your own foods, which I've also done as well. And it also has an option for like a scanner. Would I recommend using this over FitnessPal? No, I think still keep using MyFitnessPal if you wish, and then if we need to access that data, we can. But this is an option that you can use. You know, a lot of people have recipes and stuff already saved in MyFitnessPal, which is understandable. So, but the option is there if you need it. You also have your habits, so the famous 2-3-1 method. And for those that don't know what that is, when you click on this information here, it'll actually explain, give you a bit of description of what that habit is and when we would like you to achieve that habit. As you know, habits are a massive part of our coaching philosophy, and these are some key things. Another cool thing with this app is you can actually add your own step count, so adding it to the nearest 100. So you can go, right, that's what your daily step count was, and that'll obviously give us a nice little chart. It's obviously very useful. In here you have training, which is all your available workouts, and you also have historical workouts as well, which is important because you can obviously learn, okay, well, what was I lifting at my previous workout? Now the app will obviously tell you as well. With the app, very much like the other ones that we had, when you go to start a workout, like if you want to go in and you go start workout, there's always going to be a video demonstration showing you what to do, how to perform that workout, and then you can just record your sets as you go along. So you have a description of what you need to do, and then you just record them as you go along. How many reps did you give, what type of weights did you get, etc, etc. Okay, across here, this is like the home page. Once again, you have the accumulation of like the percentage of what you're trying to complete during the day. That's your habits or any other tasks that's available. We also have the community, so this is like kind of like a Facebook group essentially. You can come in here, you can comment, you can likes other people's stuff, and you can obviously do your own posts. You can add like you could add, let's say, a picture of one of your meals or something like that, something that maybe you've taken, something like this, and then you can maybe write something like share that recipe with the rest of the group. So very, very, very useful, and this is something that we will be using going forward, and it's just nice that it's all in the app. And then we also have obviously our weekly check-ins. So our weekly check-ins, as I showed you, and you have your weekly check-in here, which is identified on a Monday. You can come in, you answer the questions. It's pretty much the same as the other one, and then you submit that to your coach, and your coach will give you a review. For communications, if you go to home and then you come up here, you see the little chat bot. Click on this, and then you can obviously start a conversation with your coach. And you can see this looks a lot like WhatsApp. Okay, you can see offline, online, you can see whether it's being read, whether it's not being read, and like that you can add files, photos, videos, etc. And you can also send voice notes. So really, really nice little feature in terms of communication with your coach. So really, really cool stuff. So overall, the app is really good, and the next thing that I'll be doing is updating this. So we'll have vaults, and vaults will have basically educational content. So here's how to meal prep. you know, here's how to track calories correctly, etc. So there'll be more of that to come, but yeah, we just have to build out the rest of it. But that's it. That's how you use the very basics of the app for now. Like I mentioned at the very start of the video, it's like any app, the more you use it, the better you get at it.